just taken this example. It's a pull-up bar sold by Meteor Essential. They are the best seller in that strength training pull-up bar category. They've been selling over 200 products every month, and they are the Amazon's choice. So as you can see, they got a range of feedback, and maybe it's probably, I don't know if you agree, it's probably good to pick products that are like this. You have to have a range of so that you can actually look at the 3, 2, and 1 star reviews, improve on them, and make a better product. That way, you are kind of solving that problem in that area. Otherwise, I think this is a difficult product to sell, to be honest, because this being, you're not attaching it to anything, you are attaching to the wall or door frame. It's really hard to place all the customers. A lot of noise factors or confounding factors. It all depends on the door frame, the strength of it, the width of it, and lots of other parameters. I think the seller has done a great job, but because it's selling a lot. And what I did was I kind of picked these reviews. I don't know how I can see that. So I've got to pick. So I went into all star gradings. So there were 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and we need all of it. And I put them. What I did was I put them onto ChatGPT, and I asked ChatGPT to give me a Kano model that has all these 5 parameters added to it. I think now it'll be foolish if you didn't use ChatGPT. I mean, of course, you can do it manually. That takes hours, but ChatGPT will give you that result. So I will be asking something like this. So I'm asking, I'm planning to sell this door frame pull-up bar, and I would like you to prepare a Kano matrix based on the customer reviews received for my competitor's product. The customer reviews are given below. Please make sure to include the following categories: must-have, performers, delators, indifferent, and reverse needs. So I have actually copied all those feedback for that product into a Word document. I just did cut and paste, copy and paste. I didn't edit any of the comments of the customer. And at this stage, it's probably good to have it as it is, because you don't want to play with it at this stage. You can play with it later. So I'm going to paste it. And let's see if it brings what it brings. So it has actually done that. It has actually classified the responses, all the feedbacks into the categories for that product. The very basic needs, it should be easy to install and good in quality. Easy to, it has repeated it. So that's what happens when you actually use the actual comments, because and ChatGPT will not always fix it. You will have to take it out of ChatGPT and actually prepare the final report. So what I can say is it has to be easy to install. That is a must-have. And it has to be delivered in time, which is not a product quality, it's a service quality. And the performers or the satisfiers, strength is a parameter they have mentioned. Affordable price, responsive, that is yes. And the indifference or the delighters, padded rubber grip. Someone was delighted based on as having seen that on the product. Indifferent or different needs. People are not positive or negative. Instructions are hopeless, which I don't think is more of an indifferent. It's actually a basic need. Instructions, scrap instruction, bit annoyed to put it up. Worked okay for a while but need a regular tightening. Dangerous waste of money. And the dissatisfiers. It doesn't matter how many times we try to install. After just a couple of push-ups, it falls. That is one bit dangerous. That was repeated. And there was a comment on the image that is used. Some people looks like some people didn't like it. And there was my son was hanging on it, and damn thing came off and stuff like that. I won't go into all of it, but you will use ChatGPT as an aid, and you will actually prepare a final presentation, something like this.
Hey there, this is Neil-Asher from the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. I want to say a big thank you for watching this video. That video actually was from the regular Monday night Q&A session excuse me, that I have with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. Over 2,500 of us now, and growing, by the way. We're the fastest growing community of e-commerce entrepreneurs right here in Australia, with sales, by the way, of over $50 million. Now, if you'd like to find out more about what we do at the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs and get yourself off there and come and join us, all you need to do is go to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. AussieOnlineEntrepreneurs.com.au. The link for that, by the way, is underneath this video, and I will welcome you with open arms and look forward to seeing you in the next video. Till then, have a good one. Bye.